So to everyone who watched part one, the unboxing, and part two, the installation, this is part three. Here's the demonstration. So if you didn't watch part one and part two, we'll go ahead and put links in the video so you guys can check that out. So here we are, the ILX F309 from Alpine, also known as the Alpine Halo 9 in the dash. We got a 2010 Toyota Tundra here, and we're running Android Auto currently. So we can full hands-free control that. I'm sure you guys have seen Android Auto. If not, I'll give you a quick demonstration. So we just tell it what we want. So, okay, Google, call Home Depot.
Calling the Home Depot on L Street in Omaha.
No, I'm not that weird. I don't have Home Depot programmed into my phone. It'll Google it for you and call it up. It's pretty standard stuff. Okay, Google, open Spotify and play the Talking Heads.
Okay, asking Spotify to play Talking Heads.
So if you're not a Spotify person, you can, okay, Google, open Pandora and play Van Halen.
Alright, asking Pandora to play Van Halen.
So real cool stuff. So you can do your navigation, of course. I really like the big screen. Not only do I like the big screen, it's a capacitive touchscreen, Jacob. So this is a new one. The screen acts like a phone screen. It's not like a car stereo screen. It's kind of hard to describe. You really need to feel it for yourself. All the controls are capacitive touch. So even your volume, man, you just touch it. It works perfect. So one of the other features of the screen that's cool is right here you actually have a mic button. So if you prefer not to use the Siri, Hey Siri, or the OK Google feature, you don't have to. You can actually just touch the mic and it'll go to your OK Google. So, all right, so now we're gonna go into the actual Alpine side of things. You got the little home button right here. So it automatically pulls it up into our sources because we're using that. If I drop down right here, oops, sorry. And I choose, say, radio, okay? Here's your radio screen. It's real nice. Over here's your presets. You can close that just like the previous models. Right here, nice feature is a real quick sub-level. Oh, there we go. So right here we have a sub-level. It's an easy access. You can also get into your bass engine and your tone adjustments. So bass engine is going to be, I'm going to show you guys something that I was playing with. I thought it was pretty cool. So I'm going to hit it here. I'm going to go into the setup. And you can actually go into your sound setups right here. So you can do all sorts of really cool stuff. Real crossovers, real equalizers, everything. It even has time correction. So I thought that was cool. But so you have the bass engine with the EQ presets, so you can go ahead and hit those if you want. But if you'll notice right here, it also has the dual HD EQ. Now this gives us a parametric EQ. So what I would recommend, man, is do your EQ presets, get the one that you kind of like, go into your dual HD EQ and really tweak it out the way you want it to be. You can also access your crossovers and your time correction from this same menu. So everything is presettable. I would absolutely recommend that. That way you can make adjustments, preset it, continue to make adjustments, and if you make it worse, well, you can always go back to your preset. So pretty cool stuff. It is also Maestro compatible. So Maestro is going to give you some pretty interesting features. So you can go into the setup right here. We're going to go into system, okay? What I thought was super cool is the way it interfaces with this particular vehicle's factory settings. So we're going to go to vehicle features. This just blows my mind. We can select locks like on a factory option on a newer car. This car never had this, so we can do the locks, we can do the dome lights, the lights when they come on, how long they stay on, all that kind of stuff. You can also go to vehicle info. From here, this will show you tire pressure, battery voltage, make sure that's good, and then you have 5 customizable gauges. So any gauge can do almost anything. You are limited, the choices you have, But what's cool is you didn't have to run any sending units, any wires, nothing. I mean, it just all works through the Maestro module. So just some real cool stuff. Of course, it's the Alpine fit and finish that we expect. The Alpine Halo 9 has, it's hard to see because it's daylight out, but right here there's like a glowing light on the bottom of it. The metallized finish, how freaking sturdy this thing is. I feel like I'm gonna break the dash. So the unit doesn't move at all. You know, so thanks for putting out a good product, Alpine. And I think that's it for now. We'll always come back, right?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks a lot. The screen this way, this way, this way, this way.
So when is it coming out and how much is it?
It's $900 and it'll be out in about 2 weeks.